whatever, so yeah. Say hi, Katie. Start the time at 7:20 is when we started. We'll tell you when we're done. Okay, so we're all almost done with our lollipops, and here's mine. Show them yours. That's hers. I think she's gonna win. Josie. Here's Josie's. So it has been 20 minutes since we first started. And we're almost done. Good. Hey guys, well, see, mine kind of like fell apart. And Josie cheated because she bit hers. So look at our winner. She has that little tiny thing on that stick and she's still sucking on it. I wish but congratulations. And thanks for watching.